Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, and today we are making some fried fish, Jamaican style, escovitch dressing and all, popularly known as escovitch fish. It's gonna be so good. So let's start the cooking. Let's start out first by slicing our fish. Now with some fresh water. We're basically just rinsing off all of that vinegar water that we add some sea salt, and this is what we're going to use to season the fish. We pat our fish dry, ensure that all the extra liquid comes off, and then we just go in with just black pepper and salt. That is it. That is all you need to get a good flavored fish. Now you fry the fish first on one side for a